Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Knowledge. In this video, we are going to see how to install Vagrant on Windows and on Ubuntu as well. So to install Vagrant, you will have to download the Vagrant MSI file. To download it, just visit the official website of Vagrant, that is vagrantapp.com, and click on the download button. It will take you to the download page where you can choose the operating system of your choice. In our case, it is Windows and it is 64-bit. So after clicking on the architecture, it will start downloading the file. So as you can see, it is a 229 MB file. So I already have downloaded the Vagrant file into my system. So I'm not going to download it again. So as I have said before in the first video, to work with Vagrant, you need VirtualBox. To download VirtualBox, you can visit virtualbox.org and click on download. So you can choose the operating system. In our case, it is Windows. Click on Windows and it will start the download. So VirtualBox is of 167 megabyte of file. I already have downloaded this file, so I'm not going to do it again. Okay, so let's start with the installation process. Let's go with VirtualBox first. So to install VirtualBox, just double click on the VirtualBox.exe file. It will start the installation process. Just click on next. It is the path where VirtualBox will be installed. If you do not have any good reason to change it, do not change it. So click on next. Just next. And yes. Now install. It is just next and yes, and VirtualBox will be installed on your system. It will take a little bit of time. It is asking for permission, so just click on yes. Okay, now VirtualBox is installed, so I will just uncheck this one and click on finish. To install Vagrant, if you have downloaded, you will get this MSI file. Click on the MSI file and the installation wizard will appear on your screen. Click on next. Accept the terms and condition. Next. It is the path Vagrant will be installed in. So click on next. Click on install. It will ask for permission. Just click on yes. So while it installs, let's head over to the website and see some of available boxes to work with. So just click on find boxes. Now as you can see, it is the Ubuntu Trusty 64, it is the Ubuntu 14 box, it is the Laravel box, it is the CentOS. You can choose many different boxes, different distribution of Linux. It is the Ubuntu 16 Xenial 64-bit. It is the Scotch box. You can choose whatever you want. If you want a mean stack or mun stack, you can search for it. As you can see, there are so many boxes, mean boxes, mun boxes you will find. Click on finish. So it is asking to restart the computer. To finish the installation of Vagrant, you will have to restart your computer. So I will be back in a minute. So I have restarted my computer. To verify the installation is done or not, just open command prompt and give the command Vagrant V for version. If the Vagrant version shows on command prompt, the installation is successful and Vagrant is installed in your system. So let's navigate to desktop, create a folder test. To start with the Vagrant, you can just give a command Vagrant init. The command Vagrant init is initialization of a Vagrant box that you have to provide the name of the box, that is Ubuntu Trusty 64. So this is the full command you will have to give to initialize a box. After that, it will create the Vagrant file and the configuration stuff and all that. We will go into this in next video. So let's continue with the installation process of Vagrant in Ubuntu. Okay, to install Vagrant in Ubuntu, you will have to download the .deb Debian package file from the Vagrant official website. That is, go to the vagrantapp.com, then click on download. Then you will be provided with Debian, Windows and all the operating system. Click the Debian 64-bit. After clicking it, just save the file into your folder. Okay, the download has been started, but I am not going to download it again because I have already downloaded the vagrant.deb file. So let's see. We got the vagrant.2.2.4 64-bit Debian package file. To install Vagrant, you can use dpkg-i vagrant file name. You will have to use sudo before the dpkg command. It will install Vagrant in your system, and if something is broken, you can use sudo apt install f or fix missing. You can use these commands to install Vagrant. That is it. To install VirtualBox, you can just give one command, sudo apt install VirtualBox. Because VirtualBox is in the package manager of Ubuntu, you can install it with terminal. That is it. After you install these two things in Ubuntu, you are good to go, and see you in the next video. Keep watching. Thank you.